So for my 62, my 16, Kemba Walker and Trae Young off the bench. Buddy Hield's gonna be my starting shooting guard, and then Redick off the bench. Ingram, Tucker off the bench, and Drummond just won MVP. You don't believe me? Look, going to be the award to NBA champion and wait, right? NBA MVP Andre Drummond. And last season he probably could not. I mean, like he had the best season for last season, anyways. There's NBA. He's a 96. There were 25 left. How many plays I have now? And I'm gonna make a trade here. I'm gonna trade PJ Tucker for to Cleveland for 2 future first round picks. And now I'm gonna get a 3-point shooter in free agency. Well, I already have. What did DJ Augustine average? I do not need a number. Shooting guard. What? Oh, it's such another JJ Reddick.
Another JJ Reddick.
So we still can't. No, Cameron, stop it. Bull. Wait. Who is he?
I got him in the 2018 draft. Very interesting.
Yeah, you did that. I know you. Why did they just played some seasons? A few years.
Sorry.
I can't. All players available. Yes.
He didn't play last year.
The ball.
He barely played last year, you dummy.
No, nope.
He didn't play last year.
Oh.
Get him, Brody.
Okay. I can't stop it.
Not touching it.
You are. Stop it. Stop it. You got Jeff Green just to get rid of the trade.
Oh my god.
No, he signed with the Cavs. Are you kidding me? Hey Jeff, don't do that.
Yeah, Jeff, don't do that.
So
There's still a lot of players that haven't signed
yeah,
yet.
I'm gonna get DJ Augustine to trade him.
No, they're not trade up. Not.
We need a power forward. Well, backup power forward is small for him to get another. Player, aka a non-shooter, 2 years. We cannot get him on jumper. We cannot get him on jumper. Come on, I'm looking for the minimum for a year just to trade him. Now I'm going to trade him and Augustine. Sorry about that. I'm sorry that I had my fingers in the water. Can you please hold this for me so I can hold it? No, my brother's holding it for me so I can.
Cam, do you want the rest of the mac and cheese?
Yeah. Brody has me filming a video.
And apparently we can.
2 first-round picks.
I'm a 1 a 3-point shooter. Thank you.
The thing is, if you get more first-round pick, you can trade for a star like I did, but I got Anthony Davis.
I already have stars.
I don't care.
Yeah.
The MVP, Andre Drummond.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I should zoom really closely so they can see the word MVP clearly. Look at Victor Oladipo.
You already picked?
He's really not small.
Hey, you have to know you already have a lot anyway.
Maybe we can get Victor Oladipo. Let's trade this Cavs pick right here.
Trade some of those top ones. The ones at the top. Oh, the
Anyways, we have Victor Oladipo. I'm supposed to see if it's overall, but there's anything else. Okay, no. You should be an 84.
What?
And you should be an 86.
Who?
And you should be a 92. You should be a 94.
Hey.
It has to be even.
Wait, can you carry this?
No. Come on. What?
What are you doing to their ratings? Why is he 80?
Oh, watch it. Okay, so,
Take it.
so now my team is good and full. As you see, I like to do emeritus here on NBA2K.
And I have saved my 11 players. Yeah, I did that. I did a crazy trade ring. We are in 2018 offseason. I got AD, D'Angelo Russell, DeAndre, Kobe did just retire. Not DeAndre, Jordan, Rudy Gobert, Kevin Love, Jaylen Brown, Mo Murray, Jason Tatum. I signed him to Spurs traded him to the Magic, and they traded him to me. He said he was gonna retire, but he didn't. He's 40. When is he gonna retire? We also got Deion Waiters. Is there anything? Yeah. Guess yeah. Depends. And here are some of the trades, obviously. This was the AD trade, and I traded these 2 firsts, Rudy Gay, and the 2 firsts and Rudy
Yes, you got
Gay.
Anthony Davis in this trade.
For Anthony Davis.
And you got Jaylen Brown, a young one.
I already had Jaylen Brown and Jason Tatum. I had to trade them for AD, but I got some of them back because I feel like I just blew my roster.
And you got Jared
But
Jackson.
yeah, I was actually just messing around. I already had Jared Jackson. I got them all back. There's 2 firsts.
Now can we sim to player progression?
Hold on. But there's a lot of good free agents.
We're not gonna
We didn't see where. And then, yeah, if you saw, I traded for him.
So I'll let you guys.
No, wait, no.
Like the video and subscribe, please.
Whose channel is this?
For me.
We can post it to
And my
both.
channel.
We're both going to post it on our channels. As long as
Okay.
it saves someone. And Brody, if it doesn't save someone,
And
my
I can
iPad,
go
send it to my
watch
phone.
videos on my brother's channel. Okay, we're filming videos together. Say hi.
Marca.
He's being weird.
Brody, I'm not even up under you. I'm still like,
Yeah. Anyways.
don't dare say anything about that.
Where
Pelicans
did Booker sign?
Timberwolves. Pelicans got Tyreek
Booker
back.
went to that Timberwolves? The fail was stupid. Oh
so
my
that
God.
so that they can get Patrick Jordan. Whoops.
Patrick Ewing.
I got Paul George. MKG went to the net. Okay, where's okay? Zach
That's
LaVine.
weird. Oh, yeah.
No offers after that.
Yeah, that's weird.
Also, I did where everything is around the league after free agency. And Zach LaVine.
Oh,
1 year deal.
yeah, I saw.
4 1 year.
Damn. So
Look at this. Like, come on, Tony Parker. It's like, guys, it's not that bad. Just come play for the Lakers. Guys, just play for the Lakers.
And free agency.
See, everybody signed. Everybody signed. Pistons, Don Baker. The bum. Nerlens Noel to the Clippers.
Yeah,
Celtics
look at
got-
that contract.
Yes. What the bum? Jazz, what is wrong with
Are
me?
you serious?
I'm gonna go back to the Jazz.
Wow.
Did he break out or anything?
Oh, they were cool before.
What the bum? Why would you guys pay that for a role player sophomore? You okay? KCP to the Nuggets.
Reggie Jackson went to the
The Bucks.
Bucks to ruin his NBA career? Go do that. I don't care.
He's actually a really good career. He just hasn't done anything. Pacers brought back CJ Miles. Where did
And
Trailblazers signed Bam?
like,
Oh, I forgot about Brogdon.
I guess
It's
they
fine.
have
Brogdon to Heat.
not really, you know, like this.
Cavs got Dante Exum.
I think he's either
Kings got Zach LaVine. Wait, is he making? Wait, is he making less?
King got Zach LaVine somehow for 4 years. Another team
He's
that
making
gets
less
to
than-
drag. Sorry,
He's
man.
making the same amount as Dennis Smith Jr. Look at this Kings team. Loki, look at this. Okafor, I mean, actually, nice here. Okafor. Yeah, you traded him for Drummond, right? Yeah, you traded him for Drummond and Rudy Gay. It was Drummond and
Wait.
Rudy
Yeah.
Gay's in New Orleans now. The Kings got Okafor. He took Kobe's number. Avery Bradley's an 88 now. Look at that.
Right button.
Got Zach LaVine
Probably like here on screen.
and Rondo. They also got Lance. They got Biombo. Chris Middleton's 76. He's obviously not going to progress in anything. They got him out there.
Yeah,
3.5 years in
is
Dallas.
not going to be doing what
But the first year, he actually averaged like 15. He looked like he could.
he got traded to Dallas. Sorry, Chris. He's now on the Kings. Oh my god.
And they got Delly, the GOAT himself.
Really?
Matthew Dellavedova. Oh, they traded him last year. I said traded him, right? You know what I meant. Anyways, after player progression, I'll give you a look around the league. So 80's 95, D'Lo 91, Jordan 91. Gobert went up in 88. 88. I'm still thinking about trading him. Can make D'Lo 22 because okay. D'Lo's about to get a max. Jordan still got 2 years. Gobert, do I want to pay him? Depends on how he does last year. Nice year. Kayla's regressing. And I messed up Deion Waiter's name.
Yeah, you can see,
Look at this. Brown's at 83. Tatum 83. Murray 83. And at 82.
Tim Duncan 4 years of 75 overall.
He never said. Oh yeah, he told me I appreciate the way the Los Angeles Lakers have treated me, but I'm gonna take things upon my life basketball and retire or something like that. He didn't retire. Kobe retired, and
Go
Yeah,
down,
wait a
Collins
minute.
knew to win.
look at this. And beat the 97.
Wow.
Kemba 95. Drummond 92.
Well, if you have to
Oladipo.
up him, he has to be better than Oladipo.
No,
has
he
to be
doesn't.
better. Yes, he does.
Oladipo 86. Ingram 85. Redick 84. He even went up. Hill
And they-
already killed 83. And Trey still 77. He barely have. Anyways, I mean, record. Look at this. I didn't realize this. I don't even know this.
And
Kobe
LeBron.
finished. That's weird. Kobe finished second on the all-time.
Carmelo Anthony is sixth.
Carmelo. Oh my God. Bro, look at this. Melo is 6 now. Dirk's moved up the ranks. He's still in the league. Harden's at 11. KD's at 10. Westbrook is at 12. Tim Duncan's at 16.
They just recently passed him.
Wait, why is there two Tim Duncans? I don't know. Pierce is at 21. Garnett's up there. He's long gone though. Chris Paul's up there. He's gonna get up to the top of this list at one point. Kobe could not. He could have took it like maybe another season or two past Kareem actually. And he obviously sadly retired after a cool 24 years. Los Angeles fans, thanks for the love of the years, but this will be a final season. Wanted you to be the first to know. Hashtag thanks! Adonis retired.
It's
Anyway,
Udonis.
I don't. Yeah. Anyways, look around the league. Let me go start from the 76ers. The best one.
No.
Really quickly, it's not even going to be going. Yeah, Curry's 99 and Isaiah's a 98.
Oh yeah, show them his stats. Oh yeah.
That. And he won the finals actually one year. And Harden's insane.
Yeah, I had to get game plan
The
to
Sixers,
even stop him,
Bucks.
and almost lost him one of the games.
But look at this Bucks team. Look-key, they have a nice little young big three. Cavs suck. Actually, they kind of don't. Because they traded Kevin Love for 2 points.
Isaiah wants to drag them to.
Well, it's 90 overall, so
If
Jamal.
the Celtics make the playoffs, I'm gonna actually be like, they stink.
Sorry, Chris Paul, your team sucks. Nets gave Brooklyn a supermax, then traded for Mike Conley. The team just genuinely sucks. Hawks have been saying it's Kyle Korver's insane. There's Hornets, the Jazz, the Kings, the Knicks, the Lakers, the Magic led by Ricky Rubio, Mavericks, got Conley, Dirk. Nets led by Andre Bargnani's in 86. Look at that team. Nuggets. Oops. Nuggets, they got Draymond. Oh, they got McCollum. Oh, yeah, Schroeder has been insane. Nothing to move. Pacers are pretty
Yeah,
nice.
Tyler Lawson.
So your three best players
I
are
think-
guards. You got
I
the guard.
think that the Pacers. Can you move your arm?
Huh?
Yeah, that's the bad team. No
Oh,
one told
look
the
at that.
Tyler Lawson. I know Tyler Lawson.
That's Anthony Edwards.
But there's Steven.
Pelicans, they I guess they're going to remote after the Liddy trade. They got two.
There.
Well, they got Rudy Gay from me after literally 1 year. I mean, I guess they're not. They drafted
John Collins,
James
Obama.
Burton.
They have a nice team. Sorry, moving it there.
OG and Roby, Gary Harris. They also got Tinka. Pistons are LMA, Dragic, Open Dunk. They got Chris Dunn, I saw. Raptors got DeRozan, Fareed, Tyson Chandler, Sabonis, Bev. Rockets. Oh, Harden's been carrying them. No disrespect to Paul Millsap, but like Millsap, you're not that good. Patty Mills at times was trying to help Harden. He kind of did. Trevor Reeves is really good. So is Spurs got Kawhi and nobody else. Suns got PG. Why is there two Trevor Reeves?
Hold the iPad and to my controller. My controller at the same time.
Okay, this Trevor Reeves.
Can we go to the regular season now?
I'm really quick to go.
Now.
They got Vooch. I saw they got
Paul George left another one bad team for another, even though you almost.
Where the Pacers were good. Wait, where's D Wade? Oh, he's just down
Oh
here.
my God.
Okay, there's Minnesota. Yeah, Anthony Brown
Yeah,
is
let's go
looking
to
over the
that.
league.
Wait, why is he still 19?
Number one, why are him Cat still 19? And Devin Booker. Number two, this team is unfair, but they haven't done anything.
Not
Anthony
Devin
Brown
Booker.
has turned into a god.
Yeah, no, show those stats
They
again.
re-signed Cat. And yes, I'm sorry.
Ah!
No, and he still has 1 year and $12.48 million remaining.
Yeah.
They brought back Cat on the max. Got
Did
Bledsoe.
they just trade for Booker? Or am
No,
I-
they signed Booker. No, I got
They signed.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, Bledsoe hasn't even been anything since year one. Booker, yeah, they signed Booker
Another thing's that
for 119. How they?
Wolves are winning the NBA championship in real life.
Yeah, they make money. Anyways, there's the Wizards. The Warriors suck.
Like the video.
Blazers.
If you whoever
You can
thinks the Wolves will win championship.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna do my training camps. We're going into the year of the Zion.
Hey, please move. Cam. Cam, I said move it.
What the? I don't even care. No, I don't care about my global game plan.
I'm gonna move back onto the couch. If you guys don't mind.
Really?
I have more room left. Move, Cam, so I can actually show everyone. I can't see anything. I'll move up. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. Bro, this didn't even work. He still an A. I'm gonna give it to Jaylen Brown.
Sorry.
An A. You got two potential camps. You can give it to
Wait, hold on.
Ingram. He
Trae Young.
and Trae Young. Or should we do Buddy?
Buddy. I want to do Buddy.
Yeah, he only has a B plus anyways. Now he's an A minus.
Yeah, help Buddy out. Buddy. Get some Buddy.
I'm just gonna see who hasn't signed. Brandon Knight still hasn't signed.
Whoa. Jokic.
Yeah, Jokic is.
Jokic
Now he's
is
getting a little bit.
unsigned.
Well, he's so not interested in that. Tony Parker's not signed. He.
Is that Drew Holiday?
Yes, Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday hasn't signed. Loki Jokic would take that. Jokic, Dinwiddie's actually 79 still. Or he will. Not still.
Come on.
2 bad years in Detroit.
Tim do the season. Tim do
The
the
John
season.
Days are free agent. Alright, where's he?
Cam.
Oh, we need to fill in a roster with trash.
Cam. I swear. It'll be some season.
I wonder if anybody sells it.
Sit down.
Are you really gonna leave me on YouTube?
Sorry,
Don't you dare.
yes, I'm sorry, my brother being really annoying right now.
Oh, I guess the cat got jumped. Never mind.
I never wanted to get Tony Parker.
Yeah.
Jinx,
40 overall trash teams. I put the actual teams in. Oh, come on.
Put Ingram in.
So why is Oladipo starting?
No. You gotta make Ingram. Yeah.
Yeah, Ingram's an 89. That's insane. Look at this.
Let's go.
Kemba, Buddy Hield, Ingram, Drummond.
6 minutes.
And then okay, I will admit. Bench is Oladipo,
With your face.
Redick, and Trae Young. This team is
That Trae Young is his face. Are you sure about that?
yeah.
Are you sure?
In this world, Oladipo is better than him.
I have a 3-point shooting mega class. The only one that can't shoot threes is Andre Drummond. I just realized. That's gonna,
Wait, is that actually true?
who is the reigning NBA MVP?
Yeah, that's actually true. Why does everybody have an A plus from Trae or something like that except Trae? You really should have an A plus.
Yeah,
Everyone on your team has an A plus from 3, except
I saw
Drummond.
that. Him and Nathan.
How about my 3-point shooting? My best 3-point shooters are Tatum, Murray, D'Angelo Brown. Collins doesn't even play yet.
Yeah.
My team's not
Wow, you got Kevin Love. Oh my God.
I traded Jaren Jackson and Bagley.
Why you keep trading Jared Jackson and trading getting back and trading him up there?
Russell, Murray, Brown, who hasn't really.
Why is Murray Brown 23?
These two haven't really improved, nor has
I
Tatum.
rated that player.
Anyways, Russell, Murray, Brown, Davis, Jordan. The bench is Gobert, Kevin Love, Jason Tatum, and
Waters.
Waiters. I kind of want to move Tatum.
Oh my God.
It's got to like not progressing. It's kind of getting annoying.
Right? Was that Reggie Jackson?
I don't need him, you dummy.
Off the bat.
I'm gonna try to console him.
Nope, I'm not giving. I'm
My only hitter first.
No,
Will
Cam.
you do this? I guess you won't.
Wait,
No,
wait, was that Tatum and Brown for Ingram?
Maybe it was. But I saw the climb. I'm not sure the both of them.
What was Tatum averaging?
Like 11 or 13, I think.
What's Ingram averaging? What's Ingram averaging? I'll go back to that trade.
You actually will?
I might be considering it.
Tatum.
What's Tatum's potential? And Brown.
I'm only doing Tatum.
What?
Deal with it.
I'm not doing it for Tatum.
Well, I'll try to put another player in entice you. Tatum's potential is a B plus.
What about Ingram?
A.
Yep.
You doing it?
No, yeah.
What if I throw in
Throw me in.
waiters?
Nope.
Okay,
Just give me all your picks.
No, I have one pick. Will you do it?
I'm keeping Ingram.
Oh,
Nice.
what about Vic?
Tatum on my bench?
Tatum in the first for Vic?
I want someone that is a proven scorer at the moment, like Oladipo.
Oh, man. Okay, fine. I'll try for Kawhi again, even though I already know it's probably not going to work. Yeah, he's untouchable. How about Jimmy Butler?
No. Let's just say he averaged 32 if you can take a photo. I'm a 31.
Then do this.
What? Oh no.
Thing is, I don't really have any picks.
Yeah, you have players.
Well, I don't have picks.
The trade him around the
Where'd he go?
trade waiters.
They're not going to, I don't think he has any value.
Yes, he does.
There's no way they take it. Ah, what about Melo? I don't really want Melo, though. So, yeah. I'll go for DeRozan.
Come on.
Stop it, you annoying dummy. My two
You know
picks.
this actually on YouTube. Look at him. He's trying so hard to fail.
To not fail, I just traded Tatum.
Oh, come on.
First and second, and Jaylen Brown.
I would have taken your deal if it wasn't for you not putting, if you put in Jalen Brown. I would have done
Look,
that.
look at this. Okay, what can I get for Jamal Murray?
Oh, come on.
I found out. I'm trying to create a super team like you did.
I don't have a technical super
You do,
team.
actually, dummy. Whoops.
That's on YouTube.
Oh. Dennis Schroeder.
What did he average? And what the hell he have?
Oh, yep.
What?
Jamal Murray and Jared Dudley for that. Yeah. Yeah.
Why is this so
Oh,
bright?
you're Tony Parker. Actually, I'm at James Nutley. Actually, I don't even like James Nutley.
That's mean.
Anthony Caliber.
You know, the videos that go about like 20 seconds, about 3:26 minutes
Robert
long.
Williams.
And yes, here, so let's review both
No!
of
I still need to make.
our rosters.
Cookies and now. I just said cocaine.
Bro! You even, then you turned out that I just, said that. Because now that's going to be also on YouTube.
Brody, stop.
I'm going to edit that out of the video.
Okay.
Yes, I can.
So it's Schroeder, Russell, Rosen, he's unstoppable, Davis, and DeAndre Jordan 91 overall. Look at his bench. It's Gobert, Kevin Love, Waiters, and Tim Duncan Donuts. How about Waiters and Gobert? Gobert's a player option, and Love literally is just a free agent.
Okay, is that Bosch?
Bosch and Steven Adams.
And Steven Adams?
Adams isn't even that good, so I'm just gonna trade Adams.
Adams isn't that good.
It's on YouTube. Can't read this.
You scared me about the... Are you... What was that? What was the trade?
Chris Bosh and Steven Adams.
Come on!
Adams isn't going to be here anyways. I'm trading him.
Well, that's not... Here's your final trade.
Well, I'm making my team berserk. If I don't win, I'm going to...
Ooh.
Dwight Howard.
So,
So this is not my final trade, actually.
who do you... Yeah, so let's review...
Wait, no, we're not reviewing.
Series. I'm about to review the rosters. Ah,
It's my last trade.
better.
Tolliver and this Rob Will guy. I call him Rob Will. Okay. They're annoying me. I'll just put Tim Duncan in there.
Come on.
Where's... Okay. Why does he have no trade? I never gave him no trade.
Let's
Schroeder,
review the
Russell,
rosters.
DeRozan,
Hold up.
Hold on. This team is insane. Okay. Look at this. Schroeder, Russell, DeRozan, Davis, Jordan, Bosch, Love, Howard, Duncan.
That is a cheat code.
Look, so, okay. Schroeder was a Laker for 1 year. Russell for 2 years. DeRozan is not a Laker, but he's from LA. Davis is a current Laker. Jordan was a Laker last year for the first half of the year. Bosch was not from a Laker. He doesn't have any connections. Love played with LeBron, and Dwight was a Laker for 3 years.
No, bro.
And Duncan was one of the Lakers' biggest rivals during the Kobe era.
Wait, hold on. No, stand up.
Sit on Duncan, okay.
Okay. Show it. Look at that face. Now my team is here. Tony Parker went to the Grizzlies. Okay, why are these lose this Celtics? And the Magic. And we just somehow lost the Charlotte Hornets. Sorry, I might be forcing game. Four potentially. Wait, what? We won't. Why are we beating up teams so badly now? Yeah, maybe we're LeBron.